Hello, in this video we show you how to remove and replace the ball joint on Ford Transit. This van is rear wheel drive, so there is no drive shaft on the front, but if your van is front wheel drive, procedure is similar. You just need to remove the CV joint from the wheel hub and then everything else is the same. First we start by removing the wheel. And that's the ball joint right there. It's held by one bolt on the bottom. Before removing the ball joint, first we need to remove the bolt for the tie rod end and remove the tie rod end from there. Also we need to remove the bottom bolt of the twist rod. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next I'm going to remove the nut that holds the ball joint. In order to get the ball joint loose and remove it from the control arm, first I need to hit the control arm a couple of times and then I'm going to use a pry bar to just bring it down. And that's the ball joint going down. Now I'm going to remove the nut and remove the ball joint from the control arm. Now I can start removing the ball joint. First I need to remove this lock ring. The ball joint is going to go down, so I'm going to have to hammer it out, hit it on from the top to go down. I'm going to use an air hammer to hit it, and it will go out eventually. We can see it moving a little bit, but maybe with a little bit more force it will come out. And that's the ball joint out. Next we're going to clean the place where the ball joint is sitting with sandpaper, and then lubricate it a little bit with grease, and then we can put on the new ball joint. That's the new ball joint. Next I'm going to take a ring, which is the same diameter as the outer part of the ball joint. I'm going to put this thing on and then put the ball joint in its place, and then I'm going to hammer it in. And that's the ball joint in. Next I'm going to put on the lock ring and then assemble everything else in the reverse order. I'm going to use this pry bar to bring down the control arm so that I can put in the ball joint, and next I'm going to put the bolt on and then assemble everything else. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.